Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce security complexity with VMware. Complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce security complexity with VMware, start by assessing your current security posture. Identify the critical assets and data within your VMware environment. Next, ensure that you have a clear understanding of regulatory compliance requirements. Evaluate your current security policies and procedures for gaps and redundancies. Implement the principle of least privilege for user access across your VMware infrastructure. Utilize VMware vSphere to manage user roles and permissions effectively. Deploy VMware NSX to enhance network security and segmentation. Take advantage of microsegmentation to isolate workloads and limit lateral movement. Integrate VMware's security features with your existing security information and event management system. Regularly update and patch your VMware infrastructure to address vulnerabilities. Leverage automation tools available within VMware for security tasks like compliance checks and vulnerability assessments. Establish a routine for monitoring and logging security events in your VMware environment. Conduct regular security audits and assessments to ensure compliance with your security standards. Educate your teams on best practices for security in a virtualized environment. Utilize VMware's native tools for threat detection and response. Establish incident response plans within your VMware environment to handle breaches effectively. Review and refine your security strategies periodically to adapt to evolving threats. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce security complexity within your VMware infrastructure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.